Hi everybody, this is Bobby. This time I'm in Catania in Sicily. This is the largest island in Europe. It's part of Italy, although they speak a very different dialect of Italian here. Some people consider it a separate language. And Catania is the second largest city on the island after Palermo. It's about 400,000 people. It's a city built out of mainly out of lava rock. So you will see a lot of these buildings. They're kind of dark gray. It's because it's lava rock from Mount Etna. Mount Etna is there in the distance. We're in April and there's still quite a bit of snow on Etna even today. And I'm going to walk on Via Etna, basically Etna Street. It's a very ornate city, and Sicilians some Sicilians think that this is the ugliest city in the region. I don't think that. I think it's beautiful. Look at how ornate this is. A lot of statues, a lot of Baroque architecture here. It's certainly not as beautiful as Syracuse, Ragusa, Noto, cities close by, Messina, but this is still a beautiful city in my opinion. Still very ornate. And the symbol of the city is the elephant. There's a statue with the elephant here. This area has a lot of restaurants. And I walked a little bit last night here. We have the Vatican flag here with yellow and white, because obviously this is a very Catholic city. Italy is still a very Catholic country. So this is the Duomo, the big main church. There's a lot of churches besides this one. Alright, I'm going to film from this angle as well. Beautiful city, at least the downtown area. Right, I will walk a little bit on Via Etna here. Call that again because it faces Mount Etna. A lot of restaurants, a lot of these piazzas. Every block there's a different piazza with restaurants and cafes and bars. People just having a good time. The University of Studies. Very generic name for a university, but nice, really nice area here as well. Anyway, this is considered the rough city, the business city in the eastern part of Sicily. Surrounded by cities much more ornate, much more beautiful than this one. But I like this one. I like this one as well. All right. Thank you. you everyone for watching. This is Bobby filming in Catania in Sicily on the eastern part of the island in mid-April of 2023. One more thing, we have the Sicilian flag here next to the Italian flag. It has the Medusa with 3 legs, and they point out to the 3 corners of the island. Again, thanks so much for watching. This is Bobby filming in Catania in Sicily in Italy.